Hi, everyone. Shelley here with Align My Practice. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. I hope you all had a beautiful and lovely and wonderful Thanksgiving filled with great food and friends and family, and so much to be thankful for. It's so great to be with you all today. If you follow my Wisdom Wednesdays, you know that I normally record them on the first and third Wednesdays of every month only. But due to popular demand and all of your love, which I'm so grateful and thankful for, I have made the commitment to do Wisdom Wednesdays every Wednesday beginning in December. So, I guess your little pearl of wisdom for today as we kick off the consecutive future of Wisdom Wednesdays with Align My Practice is to really make sure that you are giving your all 100% to whatever your role is within your practice. And if you aren't able to give 100%, to maybe look for some creative resources on how to get you there. For me, the reason that I really wasn't doing Wisdom Wednesdays every Wednesday is I was feeling overwhelmed with the task of editing all the videos and maintaining all my support calls with my clients and on site visits and coaching and training. And I had a lot of feedback from my clients really wanting me to do Wisdom Wednesdays every Wednesday. So I hired a super talented young individual to help me with all of my video editing so that I could be the very best that I could be for you. So, if you find yourself in a similar situation that you don't feel like you are able to give 100% to whatever your role is, maybe you are a doctor or practice owner and you feel like you can't give everything that you need to your team so that they feel supported, or you can't create the culture that you want to create. Consider hiring an office manager or promoting an operations director from within your practice. Maybe you are a treatment coordinator and you are struggling because you're not able to follow up on all of your pending patients. Maybe you can talk to your office manager or your doctor and you can find some support where you can have somebody help you with following up with pendings, or maybe sending a couple letters or emails for you. So make sure that you feel supported in your role, and that way you can give 100%. Because when you can give 100% to your role, that's going to grow your practice. It's going to overflow onto your team, which is then going to overflow onto your patients, creating a great experience. I hope that this was helpful to you. I'm really excited to be with you every Wednesday. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tune in to all of my social media platforms to make sure that you don't miss out on your Wisdom Wednesday Pearl of Wisdom. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next week for December. Have a great day. Bye bye.